Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove the background from an image for free. To remove the background, you can do the following. We will use online tool called Remove.bg. The link is in my description box, you can copy from there. Just open your web browser, then go to Remove.bg, then click upload your image. The background will be removed automatically. Download the new image with a transparent background. The free version gives a standard quality download. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.